Hey guys, it's Lucas.
And Lucie.
And here's how you cook redfish. All right, the fish is currently thawing, but here's our ingredients. We got a couple of eggs for our batter. We got panko and pecans. We got some slap your mama, some HEB fish seasoning, some lime, garlic, and cilantro, some Tony's Creole, some rosemary. There's our panko. Probably gonna throw some Cholula in there, and then there's our olive oil and butter for the pan. Then we got some red peppers because we need vegetables. All right, step one, you gotta throw some oil in there. And I recommend using olive oil. Don't use vegetable oil, that stuff's horrible for you. Use olive oil, and use a good bit of it, because it's gonna be nice and good. You wanna get your pan all soaked, and then you're gonna get a heap of butter. I didn't measure this, but I'm guessing it's about a heap. All right, we got our redfish, our egg batter, and our panko and crushed pecans. So you're gonna grab your redfish, and you're just gonna swish it around all up in the egg. You're gonna get that whole thing nice and eggy. You're gonna get your hands eggy too. If your hands aren't eggy, you didn't do it right. And if you wear gloves, you probably like kissing boys too. Okay, then you're gonna get your eggy fish, and you're gonna just rub it all up in there. You're gonna rub it all up in there. Put it up on top. Oh yeah, that's how we like it. You're gonna get panko all over that thing. All right, and then you're gonna drop it onto your pan. Our pan's not quite big enough, but it'll do. And then you're gonna do the same thing with the other one. After looking at my fish, I realized I want some more butter. I want another good heap. I'm gonna put it right there in the middle so it melts, gets all over there. And we're gonna sprinkle a little bit more oil in there too. Not a ton, just a little bit, perfect. Okay, we're gonna put some Cholula on there first for some spice. Just put a little bit dibble dabble here and there. And then we're gonna get some garlic, onion, rosemary seasoning. We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of that in there. And we didn't rub it on the fish, but because it's boiling in this oil and butter, it's gonna soak into the fish anyways. But if you wanna rub it on there anyways, and you like rubbing your fish, you know, I'm not gonna judge you, maybe a little bit. All right, we got some slap yo mama for a little bit more spice. We got some Tony's just to make it nice. And then we got some lime and cilantro. This stuff is old, but a little bit of work. I like my fish flavored. And then we're gonna put a little bit of dried grinded rosemary, or rosemary in a grinder. Not a ton, just a little bit. And that's it for seasonings. Here's our baked potatoes. We just wrapped them in tin foil. Turn the timer off. We just wrapped them in tin foil and put them in there for what? How long were they in there?
An hour.
They were in there for an hour at 400 degrees. So it does take a while, but I don't want to use the microwave. Well, I did, but Lucie didn't. All right.
Something's wrong with that.
And then I don't time my cooking usually. I kind of just take a peek at it, and when the bottom starts to look golden brown like it does now, then you're gonna flip it. All right, so you can do your best to flip it without getting all the stuff off. If you do, it is what it is. All right, so it's nice and golden brown. You're gonna see that the meat is white, and then some of it came off, but that's okay. You do the best you can to give it a decent flip, and try not to get it all over your stove like I just did. All right, and then once you flip it, you're gonna realize that the fish has absorbed a ton of the butter and the oil, which it's supposed to do. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna get some more oil, and you're gonna put it in there because you want your fish nice and moist and oily. Not a ton, but just a little bit to replace the stuff that you lost. Shake that around, and then wait another like 5-6 minutes, and then pull her off, and give it a taste test. If you're trying to watch your figure, this recipe is not for you. Check out how good this redfish looks. This is pecan crusted, pan fried redfish with baked potatoes. Man, this looks so good. Oh man, we'll give it a taste test, see how it is. All right, we're gonna do a taste test to make sure this isn't poisonous.
Okay, I'm having a tough time grabbing it. Yeah, there we go.
All right, here we go. That's really good.
That's really good.
Oh man.
Great job.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. There's a lot of flavor.
It's really crispy, nice and buttery. It's got a ton of flavor. Oh,
That's excellent.
The pecans, they're really good with it. If you don't like the texture of fish, throw some pecans on there and tons of butter and oil, and it'll be nice and crispy.
Yeah, I mean, it literally doesn't even taste like fish at all. You know what I mean? It tastes like...
It does not have any gamey flavor. It was fantastic. Alright, sorry, not sorry. I'm gonna talk with my mouth full of food. If you want to watch Lucie catch this fish, here's the video right here. This is an absolutely fantastic recipe. I didn't look this up or anything. I kind of just thought about it and I wanted to put it together, so I did. This is so good. I think you gotta try this. Save it or share it with your mom, because your mom would probably cook it better than you did. Because I know my mom would.
It's really good. Best redfish I've ever had for sure.
Oh man, the baked potatoes are a good side. I guess you can choose whatever side you want, but the baked potatoes are a solid option.
Potatoes go with everything though.
And they're cheap. Anyways, if you liked watching me cook this video, like the video and then subscribe, because I'm sure we're gonna do some more. We might probably do some trout and some flounder once the flounder season kicks back in. And if you want to watch us catch the fish, we're pretty good at that. We're really good at catching the fish. So subscribe to our channel. We're kind of new to all this stuff, but I think we're pretty good at it. Bye.